welcome back to my channel. This is Payal Sehgal. Today in this video I'll be teaching you all how you can make an amazing rice facial cream at home. So without wasting time, let's quickly get started. What all you need to make this amazing cream at home.
To make this face cream, you need all these 4 ingredients. First thing you need is rice and rose water. You need to soak 1 bowl of rice in rose water overnight. Second thing you need is raw milk. I have used half a bowl of raw milk. Next you need is 5 ml of coconut oil and sweet almond oil. And lastly, Evian capsules, that is the vitamin E capsule. First thing you do is you take the soaked rice overnight in rose water and separate the rose water from the rice. Do not throw this water, as this water becomes rice water and you can use it as a facial spray. Next step is to put the rice in a grinder. Add half a bowl of raw milk in the rice. Next you add is the remaining half of the rice water in which you soaked the rice. Grind these 3 together and make a fine paste. Strain the rice from the rice milk with a strainer. The remaining rice can be used as a facial scrub, so keep it aside, do not throw it. Take the rice juice in a bowl. Start preparing for a double boiler. Now add the rice milk into the container and start heating the whole mixture. Just remember to keep stirring it throughout. In the meanwhile, we will see how we can use this rice paste as a scrub. So take this rice paste in a separate container and start adding virgin coconut oil or an olive oil, whichever oil you want, and add 10 ml of rose water. Mix it really well. And if you have rose petals or rose petal powder, you can add that also. It gives an amazing touch to the whole scrub. And you mix everything really well, transfer it in an empty jar, and your rice face scrub is ready to use. Please refrigerate the scrub and use it within 10 days. Just keep an eye on the mixture. It should be starting to get a little thicker once you place it on the low flame. It takes at least 25 minutes to get thick. So you will have to wait for the paste to look like this. Transfer the paste in an empty bowl, in an empty container like this. Now start adding the oil in the mixture. After adding the oil, add vitamin E capsules. I have already added these capsules and now I'm going to mix it really well and add 10 ml of rose water in this and mix everything really well. After mixing, transfer it in an empty bowl and your rice face cream is ready to use. It looks really good and it's really good for your skin. If you follow Japanese or Korean skincare routines, you will find rice is one of the most important ingredients used by them. It helps moisturize, brighten, calm, and has anti-aging properties. These 3 things are totally worth it. Let me show you how this cream feels on the face. While applying this cream, it smelled really nice as I added rose essential oil to the cream and it feels so soft and nourishing.
So this recipe is so good and so rich that you will end up making three things out of this whole recipe, and it's completely amazing. I think you should definitely try making this amazing rice cream for face at home. Just make sure that if the cream gets too tight, you can add more rose water to it to make it more runny, so that it doesn't start flaking out. You can just keep these 3 things in the refrigerator so you can use it for a bit longer period. The best time to use this cream would be in the night, as it will stay and sulk in your skin for a longer period of time, and it really feels good and smells amazing, and the results are going to be even better. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you like my video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll be back with yet another part 2 of this video, in which I'm going to show you how I will use this rice scrub, facial mist and this wonderful amazing rice cream. So I'll see you next time. Till then, you all stay home, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you. Bye.